Just got your new Garmin MARQ Athlete, Gen 2? And let's get it set up. In this video, we'll walk you through pairing it with your phone, step by step. Download the Garmin Connect app from the App Gallery, Google Play Store or App Store, and install it. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone. Turn on your Garmin MARQ Athlete Gen 2 by pressing and holding the side button. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your smartphone. When the watch powers on for the first time, it will automatically enter pairing mode. Select your preferred language, then tap the checkmark on the screen to start pairing. Open the Garmin Connect app and create or sign in to your account. Follow the on-screen instructions in the app to complete setup and enter your information. Tap More, then select Garmin Devices, followed by Add Device. The app will start searching for your device. When it recognizes your watch, tap Connect It, enter the code shown on your watch, and tap Pair to connect with your watch successfully. Once you've successfully paired your device, it will automatically sync with your watch. This allows you to access all features, including activity tracking, health stats, notifications, and more. Any changes made in the app will reflect on your watch instantly, keeping everything up to date. And that's it! Your Garmin MARQ Athlete is now paired and ready to go. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more handy tips. Thanks for watching!